It's been a long while I haven't make a video, but your boy is back. And today I'm gonna make a video and show you all how you can make a dancehall beat using only stock plugins and nothing else. So let's get into it right now, guys. Alright, let's see if we can find something that we can. Let me hit 4 string. Let me find that. Let me see that. What we can use. Okay, that cello song is nice. Let's see how we can hook up with that. Alright. Alright, I just came up with a simple cello pattern, guys. We're gonna make it loop. Now let's see if we find something else so we can add with that. So let's see if we can find a. This one is sounding bad, you know. Nice, guys. Simple. We just keeping it simple as always, you know. And guys, one thing to keep in mind when you're making a beat, guys, always try to full the spectrum. The frequency spectrum, guys, always try to full it up. Make sure the beat sound full and not too thin. Alright, guys. Let's see what we can add to that again. Let's listen. Let's listen to this. Alright, guys. Seems like I can't find anything that could fit in JMS. So let's go to the packs right here. So to your left, if you click it off, click packs. There's other instruments. So you want to click instruments, close grand. Let's bring the close grand. Sounding nice for stock plugin, guys. Now let's add some low bass notes. Now let's listen. Lower than that. Yeah, man. Let's stretch it out. This is a D as well, so. Guys, we're gonna add the next D sharp, go higher octave. Or if you want to go take the higher notes and bring it to A sharp, which is the perfect fifth for a D sharp minor chord. Woo! Yeah, that's sounding nice already, guys. The ideas come in one time. I think I know what I'm gonna do. We're gonna do that. Let me see. Let's hear it. Yeah, let's see what we can do. Yes. Well, let's try the F. Let's go. No. Bring it back to the F sharp. I'm just gonna copy. Now So what we're gonna do with that note, we're gonna bring it down to give it a different sound. Let's listen again. Yeah, this song is sweet, guys. Only stock plugins. Only stock plugin, guys, and that's it. And guys, make sure you watch the full video because after this video, I'm gonna leave the project in the description so y'all can do whatever y'all feel like with it. All right. Before that, guys, I'm going to do some quick leveling. So let's listen to. Let's run an EQ on it. And we're gonna clean up the high end of it. I find it's too bright. So let's clean it up a little. I'm gonna throw in a reverb on it as well, guys. And let's send this kind of wide, low cut, high cut. And let's listen to it. Mm-hmm. And now, guys, we're gonna add some effects to the chill right now. Free delay, free first of all. Free the reverb to give some depth. One more thing, guys, you could add, or I should say I could add to that is fruity chorus. Now listen to that. We're gonna go through the presets and let's see which one feels the best. I like this one. I like this one. We're gonna choose this one and mix it in. Like, let me see amount. Like a 16%. One more thing, we're gonna add a compressor. Guys, I find it's kind of moving too much. Just add a compressor. Yeah, man, just to tame the picks a little. One more thing, guys, the melody, top melody. Let's EQ it. Let's listen to it by itself. Add some delay to it. Now we're gonna do some leveling again, guys. I'm gonna get in the EQ of the morphine again. As I said, the cello. I find it's too bright and slashing, so let's try to see if we can do low pass. Yeah, man, guys, yeah, we're singing. Sweet. All right, guys, I get my drums on them. So right now we're going to do some drum pattern. Let's see what we can come up with. Alright guys, now we have a simple kick and rhythm pattern layout. So let's see what we can come up with the hi-hat and the perks. And like I said, just keeping it simple. Set the magnet to fourth quarter step and we're gonna put in some perks. Yeah. I'm gonna low down on the cello a little bit. I find it's kind of too loud and jarring in my ears. Yeah man, song is much better like that. Hey, it's singing. Don't lie, guys. Sorry, singing bad. So, guys, that's how you make a dancehall beat using stock plugins only. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna leave that bit in description so you all can have it and do whatever you feel like with it. You know, and big up yourself. Joe Beats is out.